Why do I smell weird?
Oh ho, sounds like we've just discovered a science mystery. Hey, curious minds, let's find out. Why does sweat smell? Sweat has no smell at first. Believe it or not, sweat has no smell when it first comes out. It's just like water, clear and scentless. The real culprit is bacteria. Camera zooms in on skin. Cute. Mischievous bacteria start dancing and eating sweat drops. But when sweat meets the bacteria living on your skin, those tiny guys start eating it and making smelly stuff.
So, the stink comes from bacteria poop.
More sweat equals more smell. Exactly. The more you sweat, the more food bacteria get. And the more smell they make. Smelly zones on your body. Some places like your armpits, feet, and behind your ears make a special kind of sweat. Bacteria love it the most. Aha! That's where they throw the stinkiest parties. How to stay fresh. But don't worry, you can stay fresh by doing these tips. Take a bath after playing. Wash your clothes often. Dry off your body really well. So remember, sweat doesn't smell on its own, but bacteria can turn it into something stinky. Now it's your turn. Which body part do you think gets smelly the fastest? A. Your hands. B. Your armpits.
I know the answer. What do you think? Please answer in the comments section.
Thanks for exploring with me today. See you next time for more science fun.